Water, the essential element for human sanitation and hygiene. From the moment you rise, water plays a vital role in your routine. An unseen ally, it's crucial for our hygiene and sanitation. Starting with the morning cleanse, water washes away the night's accumulation of dirt and bacteria. It's the first step to a fresh, healthy day. In hand washing, water acts as a conductor, combining with soap to eliminate germs. Clean hands reduce the spread of diseases, protecting us and those around us. Water is also essential in our kitchens. Used for washing fruit, vegetables, and utensils, it ensures our meals are safe and clean. Within our homes, water helps maintain a clean environment. From laundry to mopping floors, water is central to keeping our living spaces hygienic. Even outside, water is crucial. It aids in maintaining public sanitation, from street cleaning to waste management, creating healthier communities. So, remember, every drop counts. Harness the power of water to promote hygiene, protect health, and ensure a cleaner future for all.